Hello, welcome to my channel. How to solve for n from this given nice equation 2 raised to power n plus 8 raised to power n is equal to 68. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then we have the given equation 2 raised to power n plus 8 raised to power n is equal to 68. This is 2 raised to power n plus 8 raised to power n minus 68 is equal to 0. Then this is 2 raised to power n plus 8 raised to power n can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of n minus 68 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m to the power of n is equal to a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power mn. This is 2 raised to power n plus 2 raised to power n to the power of 3 minus 68 is equal to 0. Let 2 raised to power n is equal to y. Then this is y plus y raised to power 3 minus 68 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Y raised to power 3 plus y minus 68 is equal to 0. But 68 is equal to 17 multiplied by 4. Then this y, the coefficient here is 1. This can be written as 1 is equal to minus 16 plus 17. So y will be equal to minus 16y plus 17y. Then this can be written as y raised to power 3 minus 16y plus 17y minus 68 is equal to 0. Then here we have y bracket y square minus 16 plus 17 bracket y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is y bracket, this is y square minus 16 can be written as 4 square plus 17 bracket y minus 4 is equal to 0. Take note of this, that if you have a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b bracket a minus b. Then we have y bracket, the whole of this can be written as y plus 4 bracket y minus 4 bracket plus 17 bracket y minus 4 is equal to 0. You can see that y minus 4 is common here and it's also common here. Let's bring it out. We have y minus 4 bracket. If you divide the whole of this by this y minus 4, we have y bracket y plus 4 bracket, then plus, if you divide the whole of this by y minus 4 here, we have 17 bracket is equal to 0. This is y minus 4 bracket. Let's open the bracket with this y times y. This is y square plus y times 4, 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. Now there are two cases here. The first case is y minus 4 is equal to 0, and the second case is y square plus 4y plus 17 is equal to 0. Now from here, y is equal to 4. This is the first value of y. Now here, this is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic general formula. Our quadratic general formula is giving us y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And this is the same thing as y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d over 2a. And discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. From this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4, and the c is equal to 17. Discriminant d is equal to b square, that is 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 17. Then d is equal to 4 square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 17, that is 68. And of course, if you see 60 minus 68, this is less than 0. So this is rejected. The only real solution we have is y is equal to 4. Therefore, y equal to 4 is the real solution we have. But 2 raised to power n is equal to y. Then 2 raised to power n is equal to 4. 2 raised to power n is equal to 4 can be written as 2 square. They have the same base 2. N is equal to 2. And this is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 2 raised to power n plus 8 raised to power n is equal to 68. Then here, if n is equal to 2, this is 2 raised to power 2 plus 8 raised to power 2 must be equal to 68. Now 2 raised to power 2, this is 4 plus 8 squared, that is 64, must be equal to 68. And of course, 4 plus 64, this is 68, is equal to 68, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.